Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do another shapewear video today, and I wanted to talk about the different kinds of shapewear. So I have always talked specifically about waist training, but I have recently been using a different type of shapewear that is less intense, and I wanted to share it with you and kind of compare the differences between the two. So what I have is my waist trainer that I wear all the time. This is in all of my videos. This is the 25 steel bone, and I will link that down below, but this is the one I wear all the time. So aside from that, I have a set of nude and black. So I have not worn this one yet, but this one is perfect if you are wearing light colored clothing like white. But so far I have just worn the black one, and these are so discreet. So it's like this little elastic waist, and this you can pull up all the way above your torso. And then it is kind of basically like a bikini bottom, so it's very comfortable. It feels like just another layer of clothing, and it won't have the same effect as waist train, so it's not going to alter your appearance if you wear it day by day, but this will in the moment if you are going to something like an event. This will be really good for just keeping everything looking really nice. Even if you were to go out to dinner or something, this would probably be good for that. If you are someone who gets bloated easily like me, then you should try this out. So these are perfect for all day use or anywhere that you would like to wear them. It's not like a waist train where you're not supposed to wear it more than 8 hours. It is just as often as you want or as long as you want, and it's probably pretty likely that you will totally just forget that you even have it on because it really is that comfortable. So personally, I got mine on Amazon. I've gotten all of my shapewear on Amazon so far, and that is where I've had the best experience. So I do recommend going through Amazon. I will link the set of 2 that I have, and if you want to pick that one up, or there are so many other options, even if you wanted to try out like your local mall. I've seen a lot of shapewear stores in malls nowadays, so you might want to check that out. But all you have to be conscious of is what size. So my waist is about 28 inches right now, so I haven't measured too recently, but the last time I checked I was at 28 inches, and I fit in a small. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, I don't know how that's coming up on camera, but yeah, I fit in the small, and that fits perfectly. It's very, very tight and very small, but it's meant to stretch and kind of be like some type of compression wear, like if you've worn compression leggings or biker shorts, it's kind of a similar fit to that. It definitely reminds me of a high-waisted bikini bottom. So yeah, it's kind of like a stretchy nylon material, but it is very comfortable. And I also wanted to say that since I fit in the size small, I also wear a size 8 or so in bottoms and a size small or extra small in tops. So I'm not too sure if size will play a major role. I think you should mostly just go based by the measurements listed on the product description. So now I wanted to show what it actually looks like on. So I had to block out a little bit because it is a thong in the back, so I did not want to share that on YouTube. But I tried to give you guys a good visual of what it will look like, so I will show you the difference between how much it will actually make a difference as opposed to wearing a waist trainer. So I will show you the shapewear on and the different angles of that, and then I will also show you what the waist trainer looks like on. So first I will be showing you the bodysuit type of shapewear, and this is in the color black. So for this one, it maybe doesn't look Super flattering on, but remember the point of this one is just to conceal everything underneath your clothing. So here is the regular waist trainer that I will usually use, and you can see that it makes quite a big difference in the shape of my waist. So because the waist trainer gives you such an hourglass effect, it's a lot harder to conceal under clothing. And also because it is so tight, it definitely creates a little bit of extra fat around the upper torso area, and that can be very hard to hide at times under clothing unless you plan on wearing oversized clothing to conceal it. But the shapewear is perfect for any type of clothing you want to wear. So yeah, as you can tell, they are very different, but as I said, they serve very different purposes as well. So I am not a manufacturer of the products, but I am just a consumer, and I wanted to share my experience with you in case you were considering buying either of the two, or if you wanted to know what it's like to wear either for an extended period of time and kind of the difference they have on your body. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and a like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.